Shalom everyone, my name is Elijah and I'll be sharing a special verse with you. Matthew chapter 17 verse 20. He replied, "Because you have so little faith, truly I tell you, if you have faith as small as a mustard seed, you can say this to the mountain, move from here and to there, and it will move. Nothing will be impossible for you." And this passage tells us that even if we have small faith in God, He will still help us because God is our rock and He will help us in our struggles. And Jesus raises a dead guy and heals a sick woman, and both are preserved. Matthew chapter 9 verse 20 to 21. Just then a woman, who had been subject to bleeding for 12 years, came up behind him and touched the edge of his cloak. She said to herself, "If I only touch his cloak, I will be healed." Though this woman had been suffering for 12 years from an incurable sickness, and she believed that she can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. She believed that if she just believed in God, that God would free her from her illness. And God did so. Thank you, everyone.